Hey there, garden enthusiasts and nature lovers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's got me thinking about the delicate balance between our beloved plants and the changing climate. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of hydrangeas and the challenges they're facing in the UK. So, you might have heard that heat waves are putting these beautiful blooms at risk, especially in the south of England. But why is this happening, and what does it mean for our gardens? Let's explore. First off, hydrangeas are a true British favorite, with their vibrant colors and lush foliage. They've always thrived in our mild, damp climate, but now, with hotter summers and extreme heat, these delicate flowers are struggling. It's a real eye-opener, isn't it? The data doesn't lie. Inquiries about drought and heat damage have skyrocketed, with hydrangeas taking the top spot for weather-related issues. What makes this really interesting is the shift in garden trends. The Royal Horticultural Society, RHS, with its vast membership, is noticing these changes and taking action. They're considering a big move, relocating their hydrangea collection from Surrey to the north, where conditions are more favorable. It's a bold move, and it got me thinking about the bigger picture. Personally, I think this is a sign of the times. As our climate changes, we need to adapt, and that includes our gardening practices. The RHS is leading the way, showing us that we need to be more selective about where we plant certain species. It's a fascinating insight into the future of gardening. Now, let's talk about the different types of hydrangeas and how they're faring. The hydrangea macrophylla varieties, known for their stunning blooms, are the most vulnerable, especially in sunny, sandy soils. But there's a silver lining: the more resilient hydrangea paniculata is doing better in light shade and moister soils. It's almost like nature's giving us a hint on how to adapt. The RHS study in Manchester provides some valuable insights too. They've seen firsthand how challenging weather conditions affect these plants. It's a reminder that we can't take our garden favorites for granted anymore. We need to be proactive and make changes to ensure their survival. But it's not all doom and gloom. Some plants are thriving in these changing conditions. Fig and almond trees are doing well, and even banana and lotus have surprised us with their blooms. It's a testament to the resilience of nature and our ability to adapt. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, for me, it's all about embracing change and being mindful of our plant choices. We need to consider the bigger climate picture and make informed decisions about our gardens. It's a fascinating journey, and I can't wait to see how our gardening practices evolve. I hope this has given you some food for thought. Remember, every little change we make can have a big impact on our green spaces. Until next time, happy gardening, and stay curious. Closing shot of a vibrant hydrangea garden with a subtle transition to the channel logo and end screen.